Friends, this VLC code is download and favorite VLC code. First of all, friends, go to the anything, open your Google Chromes. Friends, I am provide this and requirement, open your Google Chrome. And friends, go to the description link and tap your text bar VLC code download official link and original. Friends, and open source and free softwares. And first link is open the VLC code. Friends, this coding is a requirement available Mac, Windows, Linux. In your PC, in your operating system, select and download. Friends, my system is Windows 10 64-bit and download. Click friends, and friends, this process is loading process and 5 to 10 second wait. Automatically this load and loading this process. Wait friends, this searching this browsing and drivers this loading download processing. Friends, wait. My internet is slowly friends, and don't worry friends, I am follow the step and loading this time. Friends, look friends, pop up this I am download installation process and click. Friends, this software is very small MB size and fastly download is and completed and download process is last position friends. This download software is complete and friends, this software is I am all type exit and go to the desktop and friends, download is completed and open your PC. My PC is open. And friends, check your location folders. And friends, download folders is open and program file. Friend, your VLC this program, choose your location folder. I am just program file, double click. Friends, this setup file and just double click. And friends, this installation process is very simple. And wait friends, this loading this software and setup process. Friends, this setup is pop up and license agreement. I accept the agreement. Oh yes, and next. Friends, this setup file installation process is very simple and just next and next. Hit the desktop icon and next install. Installation process is finished time. I am no launch. I am just on tick and finish and exit friends, and I am just open your VLC code, open new document, new file, anything select friends, your choose your folder. I am just on new file friends. Any keywords tap friends, any keywords tabs and hand text and friends, I hope your PC perfectly working friends. Like, subscribe and okay, bye bye friends.